In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make electronic signature on Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to sign a document quickly without printing and scanning, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to create a clean, reusable electronic signature right inside Adobe Acrobat. We'll start from a fresh workspace so you can follow along no matter what document you're working with. Begin by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Give it a second to load into the main interface so you can see the toolbar along the top. Next, look for the option labeled See All Tools at the top. Clicking this expands the full toolbox so everything you need is easy to find in one place. From here, choose Create a PDF. We're using this to spin up a simple canvas where you can generate your signature without touching an existing file. On the next screen, select Blank Page. Acrobat will open a new empty PDF, perfect for capturing your signature once and keeping it handy for later use. Now, at the top of the window, click eSign. This switches you into Acrobat's electronic signing tools, which are designed specifically for adding signatures and initials in a legally recognized digital-friendly way. Choose Add Signature. A panel will appear with different ways to create your signature. For a natural, handwritten look, click Draw. This lets you sign using your mouse, trackpad, or a stylus if you have one. Take a moment to draw your hand signature in the box. Keep it clear and consistent with how you normally sign your name. If you're not happy with the result, use the clear or undo controls and try again until it looks right. You can usually change the ink color if needed. Dark blue or black tends to look the most professional and readable. Once your signature looks good, click Apply. Acrobat will place your signature onto the blank page. You can drag it to center it on the page, and if available, use the corner handles to adjust the size so it looks balanced and crisp. This blank page approach makes it easy to save the signature on its own or reuse it across different documents without clutter. That's it. You've created your electronic signature in Adobe Acrobat. Going forward, the eSign tool typically remembers your saved signature, so adding it to contracts, forms, or approvals becomes a quick, repeatable action. Remember to keep your signature secure and only add it to documents you trust. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to sign documents the smart digital way.